Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping, and today I'm just going to use this Mora Companion to carve a spoon. Now lots of people seem to think that you need to have expensive gear to do bushcraft, and that's just simply not true. You know, this knife is only a tenner. My Holterford's plumber's knife would do just as well, and that was even cheaper again. I think I only paid a £5 for that. So, you know, you can get decent gear for not so much money. Now, whilst if I did get, you know, nice fancy specialist wood carving spoons, this would be a much neater job. They'd be able to carve the bowl a lot better, and if I had a good hand hatchet or something, I could make the blank quicker. But I've got time to kill, and this is to show that you don't need that sort of stuff, you know. And talking of not needing things, you're not really going to need to see me spending the next 30 minutes carving this out. So the next bit of footage I'm going to speed up, and then we'll come back to it. So there we have it. I mean, as you can see, it's still very rough. I mean, but you're going to have that. I didn't have a nice curved blade that you'd have like on a a specialist spoon carving knife or anything like that. You know, so like, you know, the hole here for a lanyard, a little bit rough, and on the back here, lots of little edges that'd have to be taken off. But you know, if you were out in the middle of nowhere, you could do that in half an hour, 40 minutes max. If you're not out in the middle of nowhere, if you're at home, you can always then just sand that all down, or you could always you know, use a proper spoon carving knife. But that's just an example of something you can do fairly quick and easy for under £10. So get out there, go to your local woods, have some fun. Hopefully you like this video, guys, and you might give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your feedback, so please use the comments box. And obviously, as always, I really hope you subscribe and you know, check me out for future content. Take care.